Every web app is just a thin wrapper around a database. And yet, most engineers can't actually tell you what one is. Part 1 of our databases series. Today, the foundational question: what is a database, really? A database is three things at once. A place where data sits permanently. A way to ask questions and get fast answers. And rules that keep everything correct when many users read and write at the same time. Strip out any of those three, and you don't have a database, you have a problem. You might wonder, why not just write data to a file? Because files don't survive concurrent writes. They can't answer questions like, show me all users created last week. And they corrupt under load. A database solves all three. That's why every serious app uses one. Think of a filing cabinet. You put folders in. You can find them by label. Only one person at a time can really use it. A database is the filing cabinet, scaled to 1,000,000 folders, with 1,000 people pulling files at once, with no two reading the wrong copy. Watch what happens when you read. Your app sends a SQL query, something like, select name from users where it equals 42. The database parses that text into a structured plan. The query planner picks which index to use. The storage engine fetches the relevant disk page, then sends the result back. 5 steps, all in milliseconds. And every other database operation, writes, joins, aggregations, follows the same shape. There are two main families. SQL databases use structured tables with strict schemas, support complex queries with joins, and guarantee ACID. NoSQL databases use flexible schemas, scale horizontally more easily, but trade off some consistency. Neither is better. They're trade-offs for different problems. Here's what modern databases can actually do. A single Postgres instance handles 100,000 queries per second on commodity hardware. Stores 10 terabytes before you need to shard across machines. And serves indexed reads in under 5 milliseconds. Most apps never come close to needing more. The bottleneck is almost never the database, it's how you're querying it. 3 traps engineers fall into. 1. Treating the database as infinite. Every query costs CPU, memory, and disk. 2. No indexes on hot queries. A 10 millisecond query becomes 10 seconds when the table grows. 3. Mixing transactional and analytical workloads. Reports on your production database hurt everyone's latency. Quick recap. A database is persistent, queryable, multi-user storage. Every read traces parse, plan, index, page, result. SQL and NoSQL are different trade-offs, not better or worse. And most apps never outgrow a well-tuned single database. If this helped, hit subscribe for the rest of the databases series. Next up, indexes. The secret behind fast queries.